beauties, let's give our nail a little love. My first design is rose nail art. During my live stream, one of the subscribers told that their favorite nail art is rose, so I like to dedicate this nail art for that subscriber. We have to start by drawing simple strokes in the center. This nail art is beautiful, but it requires patience. If you want to know more about press-on nails, say in the comments. Today we will be discussing 4 different nail art designs. This is the first among them. Also say in the comments which is your favorite nail shape. If you are new here, hi, I am Lithu, and on this channel I share simple nail art design that you can easily try at your home even if you are completely beginner. I always wanted to try this nail art. Do you guys think that black and white combination is great? If you guys enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such nail art tutorial every week. If you guys think that nail art are hard, I will prove that it is not that much true. Any nail art design can be learned with a little bit of practice. If you take the example of this rose nail art, this is not my first attempt, this is my repeated attempts. You can also apply color changing top coat on this. I forgot to add that clip. Our second nail art is also floral nails, but in an entirely different way. This nail art is simple, easy, and even a beginner can follow. Place 5 dots around, then draw the petals using the liner brush. The other steps carefully. You guys can pair this with black color dress. We'll be doing live stream on every Sunday, so don't forget to watch that. If you guys have any doubt, you guys can ask in this comment, or you can ask directly in the live sections. If you want to know how to make brushes at home without spending even a penny, then say in the comments. Here our flower is done. Let's decorate this with the help of the liner brush, and always remember, don't pull too hard. If you guys want, you can apply few dots or leave this step. Now we are going to our third nail art design, and that's coconut nails. I'm just drawing an outline figure of a coconut tree. As it was my first attempt, you guys say how do you felt about this nail art. I was inspired for this nail art when I went out of my house to see the scenery. I have to draw simple line and then try to smudge it downwards, giving it a coconut tree like feeling. To repeat the same step on the other leaves. But we are not aiming for perfection, we are aiming for cute simple nail designs. If you guys want a detailed video about coconut nail set, then say in the comments. I will bring my next video about that. Nail art goes well with short nails. Now it's the time for our last and final nail design. If you guys think that short nails can't have beautiful nail designs, you are entirely wrong. Short nail actually make cute designs like even more classy and clean. Final design was leaf design. Don't forget to follow Lithu's nail art design for learning more about nail art designs for